Hello, dear friends. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. In my previous video, I had told you about basics of computer. That is, what is a computer? What are its types? And difference between computer and a human being. In this video, I will tell you about the uses of a computer. But before that, I want to say you that if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it. If you like the video, then please hit like button and don't forget to share. So let's begin today's video on the uses of a computer. A computer is an electronic machine which performs different tasks, and computers are being used almost everywhere. Why? Because of their high speed, accuracy, huge storage capacity, and capability of continuous working. How can computer be used? Computers can be used for doing calculations very easily and quickly. Computers take only a fraction of second to do calculations. We can also listen to music on computer. We can watch movies on a computer. We can even play games on computer. Computers can be used to store names, addresses, and telephone numbers in the address book of computer. Computers can be used for making colorful pictures using Microsoft Paint. Computers can also be used for typing and storing letters and paragraphs. Computers can be used to access the internet. Now, if I talk about the places where computers are used, so first of all, computer can be used at home. We can do various work, such as we can do homework and play games on computer. We can enjoy music and movies. Computers can be used for storing important information. Also, computers can be used for learning and studying. Computers are also very helpful for searching any information. Second place where computers are being used are schools. In schools, computers are used for maintaining records of books in a library, teaching different subjects, making results and report cards. Also, computers are used for preparing timetables. Third place where computers are used are hospitals. In hospitals, Computers are used for performing tests and operations, for diagnosing diseases, for taking X-rays, for preparing medical reports. Computers are also used in offices for drafting letters and reports, for storing information, for sending and receiving emails, for making bills and other documents. Computers are also used in shops. In shops, computers are used for making bills of sales and purchase, and for keeping records of stocks, sales, and prices of different products. Do you know that purchasing of goods using the internet is called online shopping? Computers also find their use in banks. In banks, computers are used for storing records of customers' accounts, paying and receiving cash and checks, updating the accounts and transactions, for withdrawing money from ATM. Do you know full form of ATM is automated teller machine? Computers are also used at airports and railway stations for maintaining records of passengers. How many of you have gone to take tickets with your parents at the railway station? Have you seen over there? The person who gives you tickets works using computer. Computers are also used for providing information about the arrival and departure timings of aeroplanes and trains. Also, computers are used for booking tickets and doing reservations. Computers are also used in publishing house for designing and printing of magazines, greeting cards, newspapers, invitation cards, and books, etc. Computers are also used for searching amazing facts for teachers and learners. Computers are also used in police department for maintaining records of complaints and cases, photographs and fingerprints of criminals and other important documents. Computers are also used for communication with other departments. That's it in this video. In my next video, I will tell you about parts of a computer. Up till then, keep watching other videos on my channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.